So, you need to know how to make a paper pattern to hang a sign, or wonder why you need to know how to make a paper pattern? Having one helps you have consistent spacing and alignment between letters and words to help with the installation of letters. It even helps with installing letters backward or upside down. We are going to share 4 steps for how to make a paper pattern to hang a sign. But first, here are the tools you'll need for this job. Letters. Blank craft paper or white paper. Straight edged ruler. Tape measure if needed. Pencil. Step 1. You will need to lay the blank paper out and cut it so it will be long enough to fit your desired letter arrangement. Once you have enough paper, draw a horizontal line with a straight edge ruler that will represent the baseline for the letter placement. Remember to make this line longer than the letter spacing. Step 2. Once this line is drawn, place the letters in order along the drawn line to spell out the intended message. And remember that all rounded letters will ascend or descend below your horizontal guideline. This is just a natural occurrence with all fonts, so you will need to space letters accordingly. A good rule of thumb is to use the stroke width of the letter as the spacing width between the letters. You can always adjust as necessary to make it pleasing to the eye. Step 3. Once you have the letters properly spaced, you will trace fully around each letter. Be careful not to shift them. Step 4. When all letters are fully traced, you can move all letters off the paper pattern. You will then have a completed outline of your letters to help you hang them. And now you know how to make a paper pattern to hang a sign. For the next step in the process of how to hang dimensional letters, click the link below. We hope this video helped you learn how to make a paper pattern to hang a sign. The next time you have a sign and graphics project, contact FASTSIGNS. We create custom signs and visual graphic solutions for customers every day, from design through installation, and we're more than ready to help you.